Hey guys, we got this knife trio from Material. This is a carbon stainless steel Japanese chef's knife for chopping and cutting. A very razor sharp, strong blade. So first impression of packing, very nice packing, very nice gift box. So this is a very perfect thing to gift to someone, and you can see the packing, how they made very precisely the things. This is the small knife and then the big box, then individual boxes for each knife, and then the individual knife packing. So the packing itself is very premium packing, and it gives a really nice premium look as well. And also the knife itself looks really handy and with a premium stainless steel. So very sharp blades. These are three different sizes of the knife here. So the small knife is the 4 inches, the serrated one is the 6 inches like this one, and then the bigger one is the 8 inches knife. So the serrated one, here you can see like to cut the cheese or stuff that you want, and you can see like the blades itself. This is the protective thing so that it will not just cut your hand. And this is the biggest knife of 8-inch knife. And then you can see like the packing itself have this logo of materials, and then the knife have this specific cover and then protective thing. See like all these protective things with the corners, everything is taken care, very precise packing, very precise blades, and also like very nice to hold. It's not that heavy, so it's pretty much you can do a lot of work with it. And then you can see like the cuts and the sharpness of the material here. So they are very effective blades and very simple and beautiful.